guys, today we are going to be setting up and using the TASALON's professional hair steamer. Let's start by building the base. Now we want to put our spray hood on the top. Now we want to put on our recyclable water container. Finally, we'll get it plugged in and pour in some water so it'll be ready to use. And unscrew this little part here and pour in your water. Now you can put your cap back on and then you can go on to turn on the machine. Here you can set your time higher or lower, depending on how long you'd like to steam your hair for. For the best results, do this treatment with damp hair from fresh out of the shower and a little cap on. So this takes about 5 to 8 minutes to heat up, and in that time I got to wash, condition my hair, and then I towel dried it a bit and threw it up in this plastic cap. So now we are able to get started. You can also adjust the amount of steam in your sparkly gold hood by opening and closing this vent up here at the top to your desired amount of steam kept in here. So some benefits about having one of these and using them on your hair is that it will help it retain moisture, promote hair growth, repair damaged ends, clear your scalp, and then it will also improve the manageability of your hair. Once your time is up or you just feel that you have finished, you can easily pick up this hood and it should stay like this. And then you can come around and push the off button here on the back. Also, when you're done and ready to clean it out, you can just pop off the recyclable water cleaner and unscrew the water tank for a fresh batch. Now, with my hair done, it feels a lot more rejuvenated, and I can easily just store this away with the wheels on the bottom and put it wherever it needs to be. I would highly recommend you investing in one of these for your own at-home hair care treatment or for your little salon. They are so versatile and super cute.